Graham by Lanie. Goal. How heavy are our classroom objects? My hypothesis. I think the teacher apple is 55 grams. Materials. Scale, cups, and gram weights. Procedure. 1. Balance a balance. 2. Place object in cup. 3. Use gram weights to balance. 4. Write the results. This is my data. Glue stick, 88. Estimated mass. Measured mass, 44. Difference, 44. Eraser. Estimated mass, 30. Measured mass, 20. Difference, 10. Smart marker. Estimated mass, 55. Measured mass, 23. Difference, 32. Laura. Estimated mass, 20. Measured mass, 139. Difference, 119. Daydream hand sanitizer. Estimated mass, 50. Measured mass, 33. Difference, 23. Teacher apple. Estimated mass, 88. Measured mass, 61. Difference, 27. Putty. Estimated mass, 20. Measured mass, 91. Difference, 71. Car. Estimated mass, 50. Measured mass, 35. Difference, 15. Dollar coin. Estimated mass, 20. Measured mass, 9. Difference, 11. Jelly, the Beanie Boo. Estimated mass, 20. Measured mass, 44. Difference, 20. Red Panda. Estimated mass, 80. Measured mass, 90. Difference, 10. This is my conclusion. In this lab, I discovered how to balance a balance. I learned that the chip on the back is called a slide. It was very fun. I figured out that my hypothesis was way off. I guessed 25 and it was 44. Opinion. I think this experiment was really fun because we got to measure the weight of things. The end.